Waking up with tightness across your chest, neck stiff, shoulders curled, like your body forgot how to open up. You're not broken, you're just closed. Let's unlock that. Let's hit the mat. Start in child's pose, knees wide, big toes together, arms forward, forehead down. Now inhale and ripple your body forward into cobra. Elbows close, chest lifts, eyes forward. Exhale, sink back into child's pose. Flow through that wave again. The stretch is your sunrise. It wakes up the spine and resets the breath. Most people breathe shallow all day and wonder why they feel anxious. This is how we shift that pattern. Beginners keep the cobra small and elbows bent. Advanced switches peel the chest higher and pause in the flow. Can you slow it down and stay present? That just includes your spine. Now we build the base. Slide forward and plant your forearms beneath your shoulders. Lift the chest. Pull your heart through. Keep the hips grounded and breathe into your lower belly. This is a gentle spinal wake up, but don't underestimate it. I promise, if you sit all day, this move will undo the slump. Here's a little surprising fact. Just 1 minute of spinal extension can improve your posture for hours. Beginners relax the glutes and soften the breath. Advanced switches pull your elbows back and press up into seal pose for a deeper stretch. Hold it, just 5 more seconds. That just lifted your posture. Now let's open your heart. Stand tall, interlace your hands behind your back, straighten your arms and pull the knuckles toward the floor. Lift your chest, imagine the front of your body expanding like sunrise. Why this move matters? Because tight chest equals poor breathing plus low confidence. I promise, this opens up more than your pecs. Beginners keep a slight bend in the elbows. Advanced switches fold forward with the arms lifted for a deeper front chain release. Pause here. Do you feel the front of your shoulders softening? If not, lift your hands 1 inch higher. That to stretch your heart space. Now we isolate the arms. Bring your right arm overhead, bend the elbow and use your left hand to gently pull it. Feel the stretch down your tricep and into the ribs. This is the fine-tuning phase. I promise this tiny move sets up better reach, posture and shoulder health. Beginners focus on the stretch, not the shape. Advanced switches add a gentle side bend to deepen it. Hold for 5. Switch sides. Now lift arm overhead. Same idea, elbow bent, soft pull behind the head. Feel that slow unraveling through your lat and side. This is the reset your arms and upper back needed. 5 more seconds. That just leveled your shoulders. Now we finish with length. Stand with your feet hip width. Soften your knees, hinge forward and let your body hang. Head heavy, arms dangling. Breathe into the back of your legs and spine. This is the exhale, the surrender. I promise your nervous system is unwinding here. Beginners keep the knees bent and rest hands on thighs or shins. Advanced switches grab opposite elbows and gently sway. Let's play a little game. Can you melt 1 inch lower without forcing it? Hold 5 more seconds. Stillness is the goal here, not the stretch. You made it. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours, when you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that help reconnect to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.